Hello guys, this is a given question under root x plus 4 plus 15 equal to 10, and these are given option A minus 29, option B minus 21, option C 12, option D 21, and option E there are no solutions. So question like this are seems very easy to be solved, but remember these questions are very tricky questions, and we trapped in questions like this. So be very careful and vigilant solving questions like this. Now, in the solution, we will see what is the trick over here in this question. This is a very tricky question, so please watch the video carefully and fully. And after solving this, so you will find the trick over here. So let's try to solve this question. So this is a given question. Under root x plus 4 plus 15 equal 10. So under root x plus 4 equal 10 minus 15, and under the root x plus 4 equal minus 5, and under the root x plus 4 equal minus 5. So we will take square on both sides. So after taking square on both sides, this square will cancel this square root, and this minus will become plus because of square, as when minus multiplies with minus, so it becomes plus. So this will become 25, and this will become x plus 4. X plus 4, or we can say x is equal to 25 minus 4, so this will become 21. So the value of x is 21. So here we have to find the value of x, and the option D if you see, so option D is equal to 21. So apparently it seems like option D is the correct answer, but you cannot judge this before verifying this question. So let's verify this question, and we will decide after verification of the value. So let's verify. So under root x plus 4 plus 15 equal 10, and x is equal to 21. So we will put 21 over here. 21 plus 4 plus 15 equal 10, as we are verifying. So we will write as, so this will become 25 under the root plus 15 equal 10. So this will become 5, as 5 5s are 25. 5 square equal to 25, and square will cancel the square root. So 5 plus 15 equal 10. So this will become 20 equal 10, which is not equal to, obviously 20 is not equal to 10. So therefore 20 is not equal to 10. So it means that 21, x is equal to 21 is not the solution or value of x. Therefore, option E is the correct answer. There are no solution. There are no solution for x. So that's why, as I told in start of the video, that this question seems very easy to be solved, but it is not easy as we think. So these are very tricky questions, and please be very careful and vigilant in solving questions like this. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.